Top of the morning, top of the morning. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know who it is. Just wanted to jump on this morning, man. Give y'all a game. And it's about these collection agencies when they call y'all, you know, in attempt to collect the debt. I'm pretty sure we done all had that phone call. I'm pretty sure a few of us that even fell for the, fell for the okie doke and paid them folks their money. But, I got two things that will get them off the phone and keep money in your pocket. The first thing is when you on the phone with them and, they get into the whole, this is an attempt to collect the debt, you can stop them in their tracks right there and just ask for a letter of validation. Legally, they are binded to giving you or sending you a letter of validation, which will show, pretty much the debt that you owe and who you owe it to, and a few more things. But, 9 times out of 10, these collection agencies don't have that information. They don't have that validation letter from the original creditor. So they got to get off the phone because they won't be able to produce it. So if they call, they're attempting to collect the debt, you don't have to hang up on them. Just hit them with I need a letter of validation from you all before I, proceed with any payments. They got to get off the phone. If they're, if they actually have the validation letter or the contract from the original creditor, they're supposed to send it out to you. They're legally binded to send their letter out to you. If they don't have their letter, they'll get off the phone. They'll never call you again. And if they ever do call you again, hit them with the same thing. And then, at this time, just ask them, could they stop with the harassing calls until they can produce a letter of validation. Till they do that, they should never contact you again. And the only time they should contact you after that is by sending you a letter of validation. So again, don't get off the phone with them. Just hit them with, hit them with the okie doke, and just let them know, hey, I need a letter of validation. That's legal. You well within your legal rights to ask for a letter of validation to validate the debt that they're asking you to pay. The second thing is knowing the statute of limitations on collections in your state. Won't go into too much detail on that. If you want to know more about what the statute of limitations are on debt collection in your state, just hit me up and I'll give you the information. I know here in Tennessee it's 7 years on debt collections and 2 years on inquiries. In some cases it's 10 years, but yeah, like I said, man, before you pay them folks any money, before you pay them anything, make sure that debt's yours. Ask for a letter of validation. If you get a letter in the mail, you can write them back, and which is a letter of verification requesting a letter of validation. And then also knowing the statute of limitations in your state. Hey, man, that's all I got for y'all today. Be blessed, man. Stay humble, stay hungry, and let's get this money.